Kashim Shettima na politician wey get Ogbonge experience for government. Modu Sherrif na him talk this one. Former governor of Borno State, Senator Modu Sherrif, and other people from Borno State join the plenty people wey go pay Salah homage to President Buhari for him hometown for Daura, Katsina State. For the time when President Buhari dey with Senator Modu Sherrif, dem come chook mouth for plenty national issues, but this meeting shele for private. Modu Sherrif come yarn to the people say him dey happy wella as former governor of Borno State, Kashim Shettima, wey him carry enter politics from banking, na him be the APC vice presidential candidate for 2023 election. He come still talk say Shettima dey very intelligent and he get Ogbonge experience for governance.
It is a very good development. Kashim Shettima, someone who works with me, I literally brought him out from the bank, made him my commissioner for 5 years also, and he worked in all the ministries, finance, education, local government. So he has gotten a lot of experience in governance, and he's a very intelligent young man. So I think he can complement the ticket very well.
Modu Sherrif, when first be acting national chairman for PDP, say 2023 election go tough, but APC ready to win the election.
I will tell you clearly that it is a tough election, but we in the APC are tough people. We know the terrain, we have done it before, and we will do it again. You don't expect to see Ali Sherrif losing his state or any one of us. We are going to make sure that we win the whole of the Northeast. I'm sure Swaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu will win the Southwest. The Northwest, where 6 out of the 7 governors of the APC, PDP doesn't stand any chance of winning. So you'll see. You are a journalist, you are more on ground, but I can clearly tell you that we'll win our elections, inshallah.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News.